Hi, guys. It is said that coaching or training is the medium by which you can transform people. And most of us, we have transformed people. Even we don't know that. We have given many suggestions to many people, and those people have brought a lot of changes in their life. I know many of you who are listening right now, you want to be a coach, or you have sometimes ago you dreamt to be a coach, but maybe you don't have a right guidance, right way, right process by which you can be a coach. And for that only we introduced a coaching program for coaches. When COVID started, we introduced a program how to be an outstanding communication coach. In that particular time, people were very skeptical. This is a new program, should I join or not? And will I be getting the opportunity to coach? In that particular time, there was a lady, from Chennai. She is with us right now, Prakashini. She also joined us in that particular time, and I really wanted her to speak about her journey when she came, how she made the decision that no, I'm going to join this, and now what she has been doing. So hi, Prakashini.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So
How are you?
Prakashini, I'm good. How are you?
I am also good, sir. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
so Prakashni, first of all, I just want to know about, before you were a coach, what you were doing apart from coaching.
Okay, sir. Actually, I was working for something called a stenographer come executive assistant to vice president marketing.
Okay.
There it always involves communication with the different parts of the people in the country, managers. So there only I got the basic skill of communication. Then later on, I thought, okay, just working for one company may not be good. So let's start something of our own. Instead of speaking for some company's product, we should promote ourselves. Then I thought, okay, let's diversify into our domain strength into training also. That is how I started for insurance and financial background products. I became a sales trainer. Then I
Okay.
wanted to qualify myself into training because earlier I just used with whatever little knowledge I had. Then I wanted to one by one take up some certification. Then I become a certified financial planner, not only selling the products but advising people. When it comes to advising people, know that connectivity part is very very important. So you have to understand person's financial background, suggest them the best. So I thought, okay, we will start into training also because it's transforming people and it is very much within your control. Because when you're selling some product, somebody has to like your product. You have to say just because you are promoting that particular product that is good, right, and all that. When it is coaching, no, it is very much in your control. Then I thought, okay, let's start into this journey. Then during COVID time only, I came to know like no more classroom training is going to work out for me. So that time I was looking for online, but I had no clue like because we are all so conservative, like taking the mic and speaking to the audience. That kind of a training only we did. So that is how it started, sir.
Okay. And then you came across our
Uh,
ad,
we,
right?
yeah, correct.
And
So
then
I came
then
across, then I came across about your ad and IDQ value adder, and I saw a couple of your YouTube videos. Then I thought, okay, there must be something very nice from this person we can learn because he's always smiling and talking,
Mhm.
continuously is facing the camera. We are not able to do that. So let's understand like that. But I was not very confident because I am in South India, somebody is online. So I had my own reservations like to
Yeah, right.
believe them or not. But after
Mm.
interacting with you and knowing your chairperson being a double national award winner, then I thought unless there is some integrity, a genuinity behind these people, they won't
Absolutely.
have come forward to this much. So then
Mm.
I decided, okay, let's go with them. But after going with you people in the first interaction itself, I found you're not only giving us the training part, you are giving the whole blueprint, including the content, all that stuff. So that was really wonderful. And it is not like simply coaching myself, one person, one odd person. It's a group of five, six team members. where
Mhm.
we get to know each other's best practice. We can question you more and get the maximum out of your experience. All that was really awesome, sir. With
So right now, Prakashni, what are you doing? Means how you are spending your quality time with your students online?
yes, sir. The whole world is occupied in COVID and some kind of a depressed mode. I kick-started immediately after your 4 months coaching. I must thank for your genuine effort in transforming ourselves into an online communicator. So immediately I started teaching whoever the known circle for me. I started teaching communication, spoken English. So one-to-one class or two, three people put together like that, I kick-started it. So I started earning a decent income now
So
online
very good.
through Zoom, because earlier I don't even know how to operate Zoom. So right from the technology part to
Yeah,
the delivery part, everything I got it from you. But it's all depends on how one uses the platform also. Like if
absolutely.
you ask more question, you go closer to the trainer also gives more input. So it's
Yeah.
all depends on who the person is learning also from you.
Okay. So the last question, even, we started is already more than more than a year in online platform, and there are some people, they're still skeptical. They are still thinking, should they really go for these coaching program or not? So any suggestion for them?
Definitely the world is going to be like online only, sir, here afterwards. So everything is going to depend on like how far and how quick you can reach beyond the geographical barrier. That is what. So your world of customer simply increases at one stroke. So everybody have to what to say adventure into this.
Absolutely. Okay, thank you, Prakashni,
It has been so
and
nice
I wish you
talking to
all the
you.
best, so
Definitely,
that you
sir.
can
Same with
do
you also.
wonderful. Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Prakash.
God